Hello, students of class 4. How do you do? Where are you? You are at your home or at your native place. Now, so many of you are at your native places, right? And from long period, you are there. You are observing your village, place, then there are so many trees, animals, birds you have been seen. You saw mountains, rivers and sea. You saw farming and all nature you like, right? Now there are different trees in different places. You can collect their names and note down. Trees are so many and they are very useful for us. But today we see some different type of trees that are amazing trees. So that is our lesson number 36. Here, amazing trees. Plants and animals we are looking here. Trees are the oldest living things on the earth. They support life on the earth. Recognize the amazing trees of the world. Write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. This is the lesson. Then we will see one by one here. This is number 1. See the picture of tree. This is tallest living tree, 115.85 meter high in California, USA. We will find out. We will find out this tree in California, USA. Name of this tree is Hyperion coast redwood tree. Coast redwood tree. Hyperion coast redwood tree. This is the name of this tallest living tree. Find out in California, USA. And in help box we will find out here. See name Hyperion coast redwood tree. Number 2 here. Already you maybe know this because lower classes you have been learned this. This is the largest living tree, 83 meters tall with a trunk of 11 meters across. In California, USA, we will find out it. Largest living tree, 83 meters tall with a trunk of 11 meters across. Now, name of this tree is General Sherman. General Sherman, you have been listened this name before also. Then next one, first see here, General Sherman. Okay. Then next one, third, widest canopy in the world, covering 1.2 hectares in Botanical Garden, Kolkata, India. We will find out this at India, Kolkata at Botanical Garden. And it is 1.2 hectares area covering. Widest canopy in the world. Name of this tree is the Great Banyan Tree. You have to write here the Great Banyan Tree. We will find out it at Botanical Garden, Kolkata, in India. Then next one is world's toughest tree, able to survive fires and storms in Argentina. We will find out it Argentina, and this is toughest tree, able to survive fires and storms. Now name of this tree is Ombud tree. Ombud tree, where we will find out it in Argentina. And then next one is the living tree with the greatest circumference in Oaxaca, and it is at Mexico. Name of this tree is El Arbol del Tul. El Arbol del Tul. You can see here El Arbol del Tul. The name of this tree. You can find out the more pictures through the Google. Then world's oldest tree ever documented, 5,200 years old Bristol cone pine tree in USA. This is pine tree and it is at USA. We can find out. And name of this tree is Prometheus. Prometheus was a person who known for his intelligence, and the name of that person is given to this tree, Prometheus. Okay, then it is find out in USA. So 6 trees we have been seen here. We have been recognized here 6 trees. Name of 6 trees. You have to remember them and recognize again and again. Then you will get practice and you will get well known them. Now see again here. Number 1 is Hyperion Coast Redwood tree, find out in USA, California. Then largest living tree, this is General Sherman, find out it in California, USA. Then this is the Great Banyan tree, we can find out it in Botanical Garden, Kolkata, India. Then next one is the Ombyo tree, you can find out it in Argentina, this is toughest tree. And this one is this you can find out at Oaxaca, Mexico. Name of this tree is El Arbol del Tul. El Arbol del Tul, you will find out in Mexico. Then world's oldest tree, this one is, and name of this tree is Prometheus, and you can find out it in USA. Okay, then we have been seen all these amazing trees, remember them. And now see you, bye, have a nice day.